Malay this side, Malay Sharma. Today I am creating this video. That is my third video, and I hope before this I had made two videos. I hope you got the value. And today I am just going to create something very valuable video about a review of a product named Leads Arc. I hope you had listened the name of the product Leads Arc. It is an affiliate marketing product. It is an product regarding organic lead generation. You will from this lesson, from this product, you will able to learn how can you create leads organically. That is this product, something I am going to review today. That will be the today that will be something honest review which you will get, and I hope you will get the value. Okay, let's start. Today we are going to discuss about Leads Arc, in which I will show you some points that will be something about Leads Arc, which will be on few topics, few points that in which I will include. First of all, what is Leads Arc, what you will get in Leads Arc, what is included, I mean to say content, what is the content in the Leads Arc. And the second, it will be, should one purchase the product or not. It will be an honest review. I am saying again, it will be an honest review. One should purchase it or not. Third will, how can one earn from the product Leads Arc. And fourth one, it will be, what is the pricing of Leads Arc, present pricing of the Leads Arc. Okay, let's start. Okay, with the first question, that is, what is the content or what are the things you will get in the course Leads Arc. First of all, I want to say that in this course you are going to learn many things, many different things, like how to do prospecting or how to connect with the people on the social media, through which you will get how to increase your connections or how to increase your reach to the people on your social media, how you can increase that, something like that, some prospectings. Another second thing is attraction marketing, that is how you can make your social media profile and leads magnet. How can you generate leads on the social media, how you can optimize your profile so that people will see it and come to you to do business with you. Because in business or in sales business, we think that we have to go to people, but in this course you are going to get some strategies in which you can learn how people will come to you. And with this I will say something, that we have completed two points, what you are going to get in this product, in this course. And I just want to say something, that you are going to get many more things, like there are some different strategies, like Instagram strategy, something LinkedIn strategies, some different group promotion strategies, how you can go to groups, and how you can generate leads, or how you can generate organically leads from the groups. That is something I hope I have given answer about what are there in the course. And you are also getting some additional benefits or bonuses with the course, that will include this following things. Okay, let's start with the bonuses. First of all, you will get bonus. I have some written some list. I had checked out the course and I had written some list over here. So I will say that in this list there are few 7 to 8 points which are included as a bonus in the course, that in which first of all you will learn content creation strategies and content creation on social media, how you can create your content on social media. After that, second is what is YouTube, and what is how you can quick start YouTube, how you can do YouTube SEO. Some things, some like things are also included in this. Third is automation, email marketing automation, how can you automate your email marketing. You are also going to learn that in this. Fourth, you are going to get ebook on internet marketing. As I said, you are also going to get some ebooks. You are going to get internet marketing ebook. Fifth is you are going to get some affiliate marketing ebooks, how you can do affiliate marketing. As I said in starting, you are going to learn affiliate marketing, how you can earn from this course. That is how you are going to get an ebook about affiliate marketing. Sixth is something about Facebook group domination. As I said, you are also going to get some group strategies, Facebook group strategies. So you will get an ebook on Facebook group domination, how you can dominate groups. Seventh is how to quick start an YouTube channel, that I said before. You are also going to get an ebook on how you can quick start an YouTube channel, as I also started recently, because I have purchased the course and I am totally impressed of the course, as I learned many things from the course and many things from my group, my I want to say that my mentor and my group in which I am learning, as I am also creating and such an community in which affiliate marketers or any new person if comes in my business or in this business, he get all the knowledge how he can grow. Okay, we'll continue with that after the quick book about YouTube. After that, you are also going to get an ebook on Facebook chatbot. It is ebook on Facebook chatbot. It is a very good and interesting topic. So when you will purchase it, you can also go through it. And last but not the least, you are also going to get weekly training. You are also going to get a weekly training which will update regularly, in which you can update your skills regularly. You will get an updation in your skills. With that, I just want to add one thing, that you are going to get past trainings also in the course itself. As you purchase today, then we had past trainings which you will get in the course itself, and further which trainings will be held, you will get that too also. Okay, with this I just want to continue that these are the content of the course, and many more things which I had not included in this video, because there are many small things and very important things which you can learn about affiliate marketing and affiliate marketing and how to grow organically, how you can grow your business organically online. That all things are included in this course. So I here just I am giving a short review about course, that it is an very helpful and useful course you can go for. I think that I hope that I have given some value about the content. Now I am going to question number 2, which I have answered as it is an helpful and one should definitely purchase it if you want to grow online organically, or if you want to start your affiliate marketing journey, then you should definitely once try the course. That's my review on this course, and that's my suggestion to you. If you are thinking to start your affiliate marketing journey, then you should definitely go for it. Now I am moving forward towards the third question, that is how one can earn from this course, that is Leads Arc. I just want to say that this course also have an affiliate marketing platform in which, as if you want to learn from the course, that's good, you can learn from the course. And if you want to do affiliate marketing of the course, then you can purchase. Once you had purchased, you are getting the legal rights of the course, and you can even sell this to forward to whomever you want to sell it. Here the course have some great commissions, and it has the great support system with it, and they have regular basis payouts for the affiliates, and they are exactly on Thursday we are getting our payouts in the bank, as we have linked our accounts, and we are getting up to 70%. I just want to mention that we are also having GST on the payment. You are also getting, if you want GST returns, you can if you have GST number, you can definitely get the GST returns. So in this the price of the product is something nearly to 4,720, and we as an affiliates, we are getting up to 3,000 our commission on per sale, and as how many sales you make, you will get that much commission. That's the structure. Simple, in the simple words I want to say, it is the structure of this course Leads Arc affiliate system. So you can earn good amount monthly, and you can even earn in lakhs. That's the good. As my mentor is on the good amount, so I am just impressed of the course, and I have also studied the content. That's the very good content. I will recommend it, definitely recommend it. As I answered the fourth question also, that its pricing, that as I said, that for 4720, that's the price. So so here I just want to end my video. I hope I have given some value, and I have given some true review on the course. I hope you will like the video. If you are new to the channel, then please subscribe, like and share.